Here we have another quick unboxing video. This is for some rear lights for the Ford Focus Mark 1 hatchback. These are black Lexus style rear lights that we still seem to sell quite a few of. So let's get this box opened up and have a quick look. Again, packed really well for mail order. So when you're ordering online, you know they're going to arrive in one piece. So these rear lights replace the existing lights on your vehicle. The bulb holders what are attached to your vehicle just twist and lock directly into these lights. They're designed to accept the original bulb holders. These are fully E-marked, they are road legal and MOT compliant. They do also come with some amber bulbs for the indicators because the Focus standard rear lights use a clear bulb with an amber lens. So let's have a quick look close up.